Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I make my stuffed pizza bread in the air fryer oven. So stuffed pizza bread is the perfect pull apart bread. It has classic pizza toppings baked into soft white bread. I have chosen to use tiger bread, but you can pick any loaf you want. The pizza bread is the perfect appetizer. It is super indulgent and quick and easy to make. It is made with pizza sauce and lots of cheese and all the toppings you can think of. So firstly, I'm going to make cuts into the loaf like so, making sure I don't cut all the way through to the bottom. Now that I've made my cuts, I'm going to fill all the slots in with my pizza toppings. So I'm going to start with the pizza sauce like so. So I have decided to add some pre-cooked meat in my pizza bread. This is completely optional. You can skip any ingredient you don't like. If you decide to add meat into your pizza bread, ensure it's pre-cooked before adding that in. So I'm going to cut the meat into slices like so. Once they cut up nicely, I'm going to stuff the bread with the meat. It is time to add some cheese. I've chose to use mozzarella, and I'm going to add a generous amount of mozzarella into each slot like so. I'm now going to go ahead and add some mixed herb within each slot and also at the top of the bread. So I love cheese, so I've decided to put a second cheese in here. I've chose Brie, but you can choose any cheese you like, or you don't even have to put a second cheese in here. I wanted some olives in my pizza bread, so I've cut them up nicely and added them in as well. I'm going to prepare some quick garlic oil, so I've got some minced garlic. I'm going to add some olive oil to that. I'm going to give that a good mix and brush it on top of the loaf. Now that we have stuffed each slot, it's ready to go in the oven. So I'm going to use my air fryer oven today. You can use a normal oven. Both settings are in the description below. So the setting I have used is the air fryer option at 190°C for 20 minutes. So after 10 minutes I took that out and I covered it with foil because it was browning from the top. So I cooked this for the remaining 10 minutes, but I wanted the cheese to melt a little bit more, so I left this in for another 10 minutes after that. So my total cooking time was 30 minutes instead of 20 minutes, but you can decide to take that out in 20 minutes if you like. And we are all done. Here's my pizza stuffed bread recipe. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, share and subscribe. Let me know what you think in the comments. Thanks guys, till next time.